Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look at the gold market. So you can see price hasn't started yet the action to the area that we specified in our weekly report, somewhere around 19 even 1880 area. So we consider this area as very attractive for possible position taking because a lot of target stands in this point. Also, if you plan here the daily oversold, you will see that the oversold level stands also in the same area. So you can see very close to it. In a few sessions more, and probably the oversold will climb a bit higher right to this area. But recently, you can see that market shows some upward action here, and mostly has erased the first grabber. If you remember, our major trading plan suggestion is based on 2 points. We consider taking the long position. We like the overall fundamentals on the gold market and searching chance to go long, but for position taking we need to get some good support areas where we could consider taking the long position. And mostly we are watching for these two levels. This is more probable, but that is our ultimate support area because it's really very significant. It's OP target of this ABCD pattern. It's also confidence support around this area, but unfortunately this level hardly could be reached this week because it's then deep below the daily oversold. But that level could be reached. Or in the conversely, we suggest the possible upward acceleration if market somehow will climb high, taking out of these tops, raising the grabbers, showing definitely that goal is higher. In this case, we consider taking the long position on retracement. But anyway, we need the clarity. We need to understand what's going on currently on the market and what direction market is choosing. Here, market stands in standby mode, still watching, waiting for the Fed statement, choosing the directions. But here, as you can see, gradually upward action is started. So today we try to estimate and find out whether this thing that denies the idea of the possible downward action or this drop is still possible. So we will take a look at the 4 time frame chart, and here we have the pattern that we already discussed. That's you can see the cluster of targets, OP with this ABCD pattern, also we got this triple to buy, big butterfly pattern, also 107 extension. What's more is important, take a look on the daily chart. This is COP 1884. It stands right at the same area, so very great, very important level. Currently, market is flirting with this resistance area. You can see this long-term downside line. And the question is whether, if we'll see some pullback here slightly above this area, it will be some decisive moment. I suppose that's not yet. For this setup, the decisive moment will be if market will take it out of the C point. That will be really important. And a lot of reasons stands for that. First of all, erasing of the both patterns. In this case, market will erase the butterfly, it will erase the ABCD pattern. Also, upward action will become reversal, swing to the upside. This will be important. And what is more important is ignoring the minor COP target, because guys, with this ABCD and very strong AB lag, market will not able to achieve even the minor extension in the COP. That is, it's a bit, well, it's a rational price action, and definitely it suggests that it will be the reversal in this case. So move above 2000, as we said, it will be decisive moment. It means that until this will happen, we still keep our major scenario. But how to be with this upward continuation? Well, if you'll take a look at the hourly chart, here is actually market could move even higher, and that will not be the strategy. Because take a look, we are now standing in the forming of the right wing of the butterfly, and until market stands below this level, this market could form the top of the wing at any point, and it will be still valid butterfly. Let's take a look. Here we have the ABC bottom. So OP has been hit, retracement market is coming high and stands above this area, which means that it could hit the XOP. Next OP is 90.75. So this point, at least theoretically, it will be perfect for reversal. So if market will reverse down right from this point and starts dropping, that will be where, well, from the technical point of view, perfect progress, perfect price behavior with the stops that we are talking with the butterfly. Because once market has completed the target, it immediately turns down, starting deforming and continuation deforming on the major pattern. That's great. But climbing high above the XOP, that will be the warning sign. It could mean that market indeed come in challenge to this top, and all set up with the downward targets and with the downward standing levels to consider taking long position will be under question. It means that here we gradually are turning to alternative scenario with a possible upper breakout. So that's why keep an eye on the 1975. That will be very important level. We would like to see reversal here and sharp dropping right from here to the downside, because that will give us chance to take the position around 1880 area. If this will not happen and market climbing higher, well, in this case, well, we will have to prepare for a possible taking position on some minor retracement once the breakout at 1000 level will happen. That's what we see currently in the gold.